We'll guide you through how to resolve merge conflicts in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your VS Code editor and ensure that you have the latest version running. Once you've done that, go to the Source Control panel on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see any files that have conflicts indicated with special icons. Click on the conflicted file to open it. VS Code provides an intuitive interface to handle these conflicts, displaying both versions along with a combined view. You'll see options to accept current change, accept incoming change, accept both changes, or compare changes. If you want to keep your changes, click on Accept Current Change. If you prefer the incoming changes, choose Accept Incoming Change. In some cases, you might need to merge both versions, so you can select Accept Both Changes and manually edit the code as needed. Make sure to double-check the final code to ensure it performs as expected. Once you've resolved the conflicts, save the file and go back to the Source Control panel. You need to stage the resolved file by clicking the plus icon next to it. After staging, don't forget to write a commit message that describes the resolution, then click the Commit button. Finally, push your changes to the remote repository by clicking on the three dots at the top of the Source Control panel and selecting Push. This will update the remote repository with your resolved changes. And there you have it. You've successfully resolved a merge conflict in VS Code. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.